In this video, I will explain how an SSP uses eSystem to provide their punch-in and punch-out information. SSPs must install the eSystem Visit Verification application on either their Android or Apple smartphone. Simply go to your store on either device and search for eSystem Visit, and you will see the application with the green logo with the blue E in the middle of it. That is the application that you need to install. Now, just a reminder, managing employers do not, nor should they, use the smartphone application to manage the SSPs. Managing employers, as covered in other videos, simply use the website for all their progress notes, punch approvals, and punch modifications. SSPs must use the smartphone app to punch in and punch out each time they begin or complete a visit. Also, as covered in other videos, SSPs can use the smartphone app to provide their service notes on each punch after it's been completed.